Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techno Sujata. Till yet we have seen how to create HTML example using Notepad. But in this session, we will see how we can use Visual Studio Code for HTML coding. Let's start installing Visual Studio Code. In search bar, just type Visual Studio Code. In search result, you can see this is first official downloadable Visual Studio Code link. Just click on this. So this Visual Studio Code is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux. So this is a Visual Studio Code downloadable link for Windows. Just click on that. While Visual Studio Code is getting downloaded, we will create one project folder for writing HTML code. Let's create project folder. You can give any name to your project. For now, I am giving HTML code example. Our Visual Studio Code setup file is downloaded. Just click on Show in Folder. In Download folder, you can see this is our exe file for installation. Just click on this link. It is showing some license agreement. We will go through quickly and click on I accept the agreement. Then Next. This is our destination location where Microsoft Visual Studio Code will be downloaded. If you want to change the path, just click on Browse. Choose respective path and click on OK. Currently I am not changing the path, so we'll click on Cancel. Then Next. This is the name of a folder which is created in a respective path. If you want to rename it, just change it, or if you want to browse it from other location, just click on Browse button, select respective folder and click on OK. Currently I am not changing any folder name, so I will click on Cancel. After this, just click on Next. If you want to show icon on desktop, just check this checkbox, and from other option, select all options and click Next. Now we are ready to install Visual Studio Code. Just click on Install button. It will take some time to install Visual Studio Code according to your internet connection. Our Visual Studio Code setup is completed. If you want to launch the Visual Studio Code now, keep this checkbox as checked and click on Finish. After Finish click, this is our start page on Visual Studio Code. If you are using Visual Studio Code for the first time, then you can refer docs link from their Visual Studio website link. Let's open our folder in a Visual Studio Code and start coding. Let's explore Visual Studio Code option. This is our first explore option. On click of this, you can see your project name. This option is used for creating new file. This one is for creating new folder. And if you want to refresh your folder structure, just click on this refresh icon. And if you want to collapse the folder structure, just click on this collapse icon. I will add one index.html file inside my folder structure. So this is my index.html. We'll start adding doc type. As you have seen, while adding doc type structure, Visual Studio Code Editor gives me suggestion, and this is the main advantage of Code Editor over Notepad. Let's add HTML5 structure. I'm adding start tag for HTML. You can see Visual Studio Code Editor adds in tag by default. So Visual Studio Code Editor gives support for code completion tags. Same way, you can add other tags. Then next is search option. This search option is used for searching any file in your project structure. Next one is Git. This is used for version control. We'll see a Git features in future videos. For now, you can ignore. Next is Run and Debug option. Once you click on this option, you can see Run and Debug button. If you want to start debugger for your HTML page, just click on this button. This is HTML debugger page. If you want to stop a debugger, just click on a close button and the debugger will be stopped. Next is extension. Extension is like a Play Store for your Visual Studio Code. We'll see top extension and their usage in future videos. So friends, let's wrap up this video. We have seen in this video how to install Visual Studio Code, how to use these options and create simple HTML5 code. Thanks for watching my video till end. If you like my video, please click on like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and families. We'll see new features in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.